Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. 5 must-have books in your magical library. Books are a tool to appease the ego. They start breaking down your programming that was placed on you as a child. Take you into different states of thoughts and mindset. Opening up that imagination and making your magical world your own. Well, here are 5 must-have books to have in your library. Number 1, The Magician by Philip Cooper. In The Magician, Philip Cooper breaks down what magic really is and how to apply it in your life. If you are a beginner and new to magic, occult things, this is a must-have book to propel you in the right direction. Now, don't look to buy it off of Amazon because it's going to be damn near hundreds of dollars or even thousands of dollars. But you can find the PDF around somewhere. Join our Facebook group, Love Live Life. We have it in the files. Number 2, Ancient Future by our brother Wayne Chandler. In Ancient Future, Wayne starts breaking your subconscious into what you thought you knew and start giving you the real story of ancient civilization and how his story is a false narrative. He goes in depth on the 7 laws of Tahuti and how you can apply it to your life today. It is so important to read this book because you have a basic fundamental understanding of how this reality is shaped and the universal laws that plays into our existence. Number 3, The Origins of Occult Civilization, Volume 1. Hollywood, our brother Panic. Panic is a genius at making things plain and simple, and in his book he doesn't disappoint. He takes ancient science and shows us in a practical way how to apply it to our life. He also breaks down the deception and ritual being cast upon the black man in Hollywood. His 72 and how to tap into these demons is one of the best things I've ever read. Changed my life as when you invoke these deities, power up your pineal gland, subtle changes will start to transform inside of you. Excellent book and can't wait for its second. Number 4, Psychomancy, Frank Rudolph Young. In this book, we learn to tap into our psychic powers by ridding ourselves of believing we are conformed to facts. He gives us clear things we can start to do to breaking down our belief system. Remember, sometimes the physical has to be trained to do mental alchemy. Being that we're so physical in nature, it's always good to manipulate your mind with physical and mental work. In his book, he gives you a plethora of techniques and exercises to do. And number 5, Dictionary of Ancient Deities by Charles Russell Coultier. In this book, you get thousands of deities all throughout the world cultures. When reading these deities, you are to use the energy. Remember, these are energy streams. In order to use these energies, you must self-deify. Self-deification is a must and it can give you subtle changes in your frequency. All of a sudden, you just start knowing things and vibing with things a certain way. In my shade cards, I go over how to invoke these deities and why the energy is vital to your being and spiritual light. These spirits can only see light, and a way to gain more light is through self-deifying. These 5 books will propel your spiritual journey into new heights, and is a great way to start developing that understanding. Use these intellectual studies to get that player hate out the way and feed your soul the knowledge it's been seeking. Dream wise.